All right, prime time is the video to randomize, or just actually to find a winner of our break number 8, which is a 1986-87 Fleer NBA card. We're going to check the time, June 11th at 11:37 p.m. I'm going to go over to what we'll call now the raffle and type live. And we have June 11th at 11:37 p.m. There's the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Glenn, spot 9. You are our winner. So whatever is in 86-87 Fleer pack number 2 is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 11th at 11:38 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.